Other one is a monster, I tell you. What is this? Monster, this one,
So it's Kevin fighting a big jack. Why this one look like about 18 pound, man, and big. Oh, hold on. This is one I just caught, you know. But because I am videoing this thing, I can't put my one there. See there? Nice jack. See? See that? Oh. Oh, 12 pound, eh?
This one is a monster, man.
But this one now,
Monster.
don't know when we're going to catch this one here. This one is a fighter.
Monster. What is this? This one? What's your This one about a 20 pound.
It looks so.
How long the paper fighter jack? Take out every energy out of me. What's the one?
This is the Jamaican angler. See him? Hold on now. This is the fish coming up. Can't see the fish now.
This is a monster. Oh, this is a monster. Oh, that's it?
Alright, this.
This is about what? 13 pounds, 14.
Him big. Nice size.
Oh, this is this way. Right. Oh.
Why?
Yeah.
Jeez, that one is a big one.
Whoa.
Nice fish. Oh, look at him. See that?
That's a Crevale. Crevale. Or now beat it. Oh, not you?
Alright, that's a nice fish. That's about 12 pound Crevale jack, right? On back to the sea.